Welcome back to my channel. Luxury Drive Car 2025 Maruti Suzuki Baleno RS. This sporty hatchback has been turning heads since its announcement, and we're here to provide you with an in-depth look at what makes this vehicle stand out in the crowded hatchback market. Introduction to the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Baleno RS. The Maruti Suzuki Baleno has long been a favorite among hatchback lovers, known for its reliability, efficiency, and style. The 2025 Baleno RS takes these attributes to the next level, offering enhanced performance, cutting-edge technology, and a refreshed design that appeals to both the heart and the mind. Exterior design. The 2025 Baleno RS boasts a sleek and modern exterior that reflects its sporty nature. The front fascia features a bold grille with chrome accents, flanked by sharp LED headlamps that provide excellent visibility and add to the car's aggressive stance. The sculpted hood and aerodynamic lines not only enhance the vehicle's aesthetics but also improve its aerodynamic efficiency. Moving to the side profile. The Baleno RS showcases 16-inch alloy wheels that complement its dynamic look. The chrome window lining and body-colored ORVMs with integrated turn indicators add a touch of elegance. The rear of the car is equally impressive, with LED tail lamps and a subtle spoiler that enhances its sporty appeal. Interior comfort and features. Step inside the 2025 Baleno RS, and you're greeted with a cabin that combines comfort, functionality, and advanced technology. The seats are upholstered in high-quality fabric, providing excellent support for both short commutes and long drives. The driver's seat is height adjustable, ensuring a comfortable driving position for individuals of all statures. The dashboard is thoughtfully designed, featuring a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless smartphone integration. The multifunction steering wheel houses controls for audio, phone, and cruise control, enabling the driver to stay connected without taking their hands off the wheel. Automatic climate control ensures that the cabin remains at an optimal temperature, while rear AC vents provide comfort for passengers in the back. Additional convenience features include keyless entry, push-button start, stop, and electrically adjustable and foldable ORVMs. Performance and engine specifications. Under the hood, the 2025 Baleno RS is powered by a 1.0-liter, 3-cylinder, turbocharged petrol engine, known as the booster jet. This engine delivers an impressive 101 bhp at 5,500 revolutions per minute and a peak torque of 150 Nm, providing a spirited driving experience. The turbocharged setup ensures minimal turbo lag, offering smooth acceleration and responsiveness across various driving conditions. The engine is mated to a 5-speed manual transmission, allowing enthusiasts to fully engage with the car's performance capabilities. The Baleno RS offers a commendable fuel efficiency of 21.1 km/L, making it an economical choice for daily commutes and long journeys alike. Handling and ride quality. The Baleno RS is equipped with a McPherson strut front suspension and a torsion beam rear suspension, providing a balanced ride that effectively absorbs road imperfections. The steering is responsive, offering precise control that enhances driver confidence, whether navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. The car's braking system features disc brakes on both the front and rear wheels, ensuring reliable stopping power. The inclusion of ABS with EBD further enhances braking efficiency, providing stability during sudden stops. Safety features. Maruti Suzuki has prioritized safety in the 2025 Baleno RS, equipping it with a range of features designed to protect occupants. The car comes standard with dual front airbags, providing essential protection in the event of a collision. The ABS with EBD system prevents wheel lock-up during hard braking, maintaining steering control. Additional safety features include seatbelt reminders for both front seats, child safety locks on the rear doors, and an engine immobilizer that prevents unauthorized access. The car also features rear parking sensors, aiding drivers in maneuvering in tight spaces. Infotainment and connectivity. The centerpiece of the Baleno RS's infotainment system is the 7-inch touchscreen display, which offers intuitive controls and a user-friendly interface. The system supports Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free calling and audio streaming, as well as USB and O inputs for versatile media options. The 4-speaker audio system delivers clear and balanced sound, enhancing the overall driving experience. Voice command functionality allows drivers to control various aspects of the infotainment system without taking their eyes off the road. Dimensions and space. The 2025 Baleno RS offers ample space for passengers and cargo alike. With a boot capacity of 339 liters, it provides sufficient room for luggage, groceries, or sports equipment. The rear seats feature a 60 hours 40 minutes split folding design, allowing for flexible storage solutions to accommodate larger items. Fuel efficiency and emissions. In addition to its impressive performance, the Baleno RS is designed with fuel efficiency in mind. The booster jet engine's advanced technology ensures optimal fuel combustion, resulting in a mileage of 21.1 km/L. This efficiency not only reduces the frequency of refueling stops but also contributes to lower CO2 emissions, making it an environmentally conscious choice. Pricing and variants. While the exact pricing for the 2025 Baleno RS is yet to be officially announced, it is expected to be competitively positioned within the premium hatchback segment. Maruti Suzuki is known for offering value-for-money propositions, and the Baleno RS is anticipated to continue this tradition, providing a blend of performance, features, and affordability. Conclusion. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Baleno RS stands out as a compelling option for those seeking a sporty hatchback that doesn't compromise on comfort, safety, or efficiency. With its turbocharged engine, modern design, and host of advanced features, the Baleno RS is poised to set new benchmarks in its segment. Whether you're a driving enthusiast or someone looking for a reliable daily driver with a dash of excitement, the Baleno RS is worth considering. Thank you for joining us in this comprehensive overview of the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Baleno RS. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest automotive trends. Please subscribe to my channel and share with like. Please subscribe.